Hi friends! How are you with the coronavirus? Comment below how you feel. How has the virus affected your life? For my part, the virus has not changed my life. I work at home on my computer. However, I find this really heartbreaking for people who have died from this virus and families who are affected. Stay home, play sports. If you have to go out, stay 2 meters from other people. Protect yourself and follow government directive wherever you are on the planet. Today I'm going to talk to you about some sort of passive income because there are several, and why it's important to have passive income for the next few years. Imagine you're doing a job that takes you 2 weeks or a month to produce, and it's going to make you money for the rest of your life. It's awesome, isn't it? It's clever. So be a smart entrepreneur. Create yourself a passive income future. There is no age to undertake this mission. However, it is smarter to start young if you want to become a millionaire someday. It's like a 60 years old man near retirement. He has a lot of knowledge, but he regrets not having had this knowledge much younger, because he would have started his mission of entrepreneurship long before. It's logic. Comment below if you want to become a millionaire with passive income method. Come on, write me down. I want to be a millionaire. I want to be a millionaire. In other videos, I'll talk more about how to make money online. It's been a month since I made a video. The reason is that I was working on creating my first online course. You can go see my school at this address. Even share this address on social networks. Talk to those around you. This course will interest people who want to learn more about renovating wooden furniture, to become more skilled with their hands. If you never create an online course, you have to ask yourself the question, how do I create an online course? In 2020, it's getting easier. For my part, I did a brainstorm session. What are my talents? I am an expert in what subject, what activities, subject that I have years of experience in, that I can teach about it. For example, if you are good at piano or guitar, you could create a course on this musical instrument. If you're good at sewing, you could teach a class how to create masks or a piece of clothing by yourself. If you are a craftsman and you like to make pottery, well, you can create a course, Pottery 101. It's easy. It just takes an idea that there is demand for it and promote it. So, you create your course. You separate your course into module and lesson. You add the content that your student must learn to solve his problem. It may take you a few days to develop and write your plan. Then you make the recordings of all your videos. You do the editing. You can create PDFs for those who are visual. Thereafter, you must find a platform to host your course to facilitate your task in the editing. Here are 4 examples of platforms to make your task easier. These are Thinkific, Teachable, Skillshare, and Udemy. I will make videos on this if you want to know more. Write me down if you're interested. I use Teachable. You upload your videos and PDF to Teachable. You are editing your course and your school. You enter your personal and banking information. In short, it takes less than a day to get your school online and earn money. Just promote your course afterwards. Either Google Ads, Facebook Ads, YouTube, or a sale funnel. Here, I intend to create several courses. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my website, and like my Facebook page. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it and that you learn a little more about how to make money online and online courses. So, become a smart entrepreneur. Create your own future of passive income. Create your own future of passive income. Goodbye. And I see you in the next video.